All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol MLSS. It looks like we have not went through this one before, but hey, we're going to go through it now. It was requested over here on investorshangout.com/live, and so that's what we're going to do. That being said, let's put up some lines here. The lines are going to kind of tell us about where these support and resistance levels are going to be. I do see a gap right here that you see right here, gap up. Currently, right now, at $1.55 is where it's opened at. I would go ahead and hold on this for a day or so and wait for that to come back down to the $1.50, in my opinion, and then from there maybe bounce off of that level. I mean, it's had some days with only 2,000 shares traded. The volume's starting to pick up. Definitely something I would keep on a radar. I mean, you guys are coming off of this bottom right here. We can put that right there, coming off of that bottom, nice and steady, going sideways. Come down that $1.50, bounce off that level, start making your ways up. Like I said, once you get into these stocks that are trading at dollars, usually 10-cent range is going to be every breaker as far as resistance to support. And we kind of see that here once I laid that out. So again, I mean, you can put up another one if you really wanted to down here. Boom, boom, boom. Right there, every 10-cent mark is going to be your support and resistance with this one. That's going to make it a little bit easier for you guys to remember. I will go ahead and type this up, and Joe can kind of tell us about MLSS.
All right, so their latest press release, I'm just going to go over that. It was on February 22nd. Milestone Scientific Inc. provides update regarding distribution and product platform strategy for epidural instrument. So on February 22nd, Milestone Scientific Inc., a medical research and development and dental products company that designs, patents, incubates, and commercializes a growing portfolio of innovative therapeutic injection technologies, announced it has begun its clinical rollout for the epidural instrument in the Middle East and North Africa, MENA regions, by initiating clinical evaluations at key hospitals in the United Arab Emirates and in Lebanon. Given the extensive published clinical data supporting successful epidural catheter placement in patients with complex morbidities, clinicians and key opinion leaders in these territories have expressed further interest in broadening the technique scope into challenging thoracic epidural procedures, as well as extending its use into pediatric cases. Milestone Scientific is also continuing its collaboration with key opinion leaders in Italy, with a focus on expanding its clinical utilization at key hospitals in Rome, Florence, Naples, and Pesaro, which resulted in additional scientific data accepted for presentation at the upcoming meeting of the European Society for Anesthesiology, to be held in Geneva, Switzerland, from June 3rd through the 5th of 2017. Anesthesia is Europe's largest annual event showcasing the largest and most relevant knowledge with medical experts active in the fields of anesthesia, perioperative medicine, intensive care, emergency medicine, and pain treatment. So that's that. There's even more. It keeps going. It's basically Milestone had a successful showing of the Arab Health 2017, which was the largest gathering of healthcare and trade professionals in the MENA region. So that was that. These guys right here, they are traded on the NASDAQ market as well. So I mean, if you're interested in the company or learning more about it, I mean, I definitely highly recommend going over to the MLSS ticker board over here on Investors Hangout. You basically click on the recent news. You can go back because, I mean, there's a few other press releases in regards to things that they have going on with them. And then at the same time, they got the filings, the financials, buy ratings, and the company profile. And if you have an opinion, feel free to share it to tens of thousands of like-minded users or investors that we have using the site daily. Also within the filings, I'm seeing some Form 4s, so I went and pulled it up really quick. I didn't go into them like in depth, but I'm seeing that they're buys, so that's always a good sign right there. So that's pretty much that.
Thank you, Joe. MLSS right here. Watch for a bounce off of the $1.50. In my opinion, we'll pull back to it. before it moves higher. Chart is showing interest, resistance at $1.60, $1.70, support at $1.50, $1.40, $1.30, $1.20. So that should kind of make it a little bit easier for you guys to understand, especially with the resistance levels and support levels. I mean, it's literally every 10 cents right now. So that makes it a little bit easier for you guys to get. MLSS, if you followed the stock, definitely encourage you to hit that subscribe button right now to stay updated with the hottest stocks. If this video helped you in any way, hit that like button. There's a little bit of appreciation. We appreciate that. Also, if you follow any other stocks besides this one, definitely encourage you to head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know there. We'll take your hot stock and add it to the list.